Ayas Afan dah semakin bijak ya. Bila orang tanya siapa sayang Mami, Ayas jawab Daddy.
Who love Mama?
Papa.
Who love Papa?
Mama. Who love apa ni?
Who love Daddy?
Ode. Ato.
Okay, who love Daddy? Who love Daddy?
Ayash.
Yes.
Drink water.
Water. Ayash. Who love Daddy?
Who love Daddy?
Ayash. Dia tengah tengok air tu. Okay. Ayash, one more time. Who love Daddy?
One more time. Who love Mommy?
Daddy.
Who love Daddy?
Mommy.
Who love Kakak Tata?
Ayah.
Who love Ayash?
Tata.
Who love Abang?
Who love
Mate.
Who love Nenek?
Ayah.
Pandai.
Who love Ode?
Pandai oh dia.
Ato. Who love Ato?